Today we have a 2011 Chevy Equinox. This goes for multiple years. We're going to change this tail light. This one is got water coming in it from something, so we're going to show you how to take it off. First thing to do is open the hatch and take these caps off. And under them caps should be a 10 millimeter nut. I'm just using a key. You can use a screwdriver. Pop them off right there, and you got a Phillips head or a 10 millimeter right there, so we're going to take them off. So we got a 10 millimeter here. Take that out, loosen that. Okay, so these aren't the only things that hold the light in. There's a little slide clip that'll come out once we get the light out. You want to kind of first try to wiggle it. Sometimes they just come out, but there's a slide clip here, so you want to kind of hold it with one hand here and then hit it, and there you go. That's why you want to hold it, because you just don't want it to flop around. Then we're going to disconnect it here. Disconnect the wiring harness. There's a little button down here. Press that right there and pull out. And if you want to change a bulb, you just turn these out. Easier said than done with one hand. You want to spin it, just wiggle it. Don't force anything. And there's the bulbs. You can see that's got water damage and it popped because there's a leak. So you just pull that light out straight without getting cut since it's broke. Plug it back in, screw it back in, and put it all back together. There's little grommet pins here to go into these. See them there? So when you put it back, you gotta line them up and then put the two 10s back. Real quick video, made it simple. I hope it helped. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching. Now we're gonna put the new one in. Here's another example. We just took the two caps off, the two 10s out. Gonna wiggle it, just bang it a little bit. There you go, same thing. Unclip it.
Let me put the other one back.
We're gonna just put this one in the other car. So if you need a bulb, we showed you what to do. Plug in the socket in, plug it all the way, make sure it's tight. Really, before you put it all together, you want to make sure all the lights work. You want to test everything. This one's so easy. See, it's got that little grommet clip stuck on there. We're going to get that off. All right, ready to go?
Let's check the bulb first.
Plug the socket in.
You want to take the bulb?
You just put it in for now. Slide them pins in. All right, now we're going to check the bulbs before we put the two nuts in. Start it up. Checking the bulbs. That's left turn signal. Put your lights on, regular lights. Park lights on, put reverse light. Reverse. First light came on. All right, put it in park. I put the brake on.
Put the brake on.
Take the brake off and turn your lights on.
Okay.
Take your foot off the brake. Now just turn the lights on. It's on. See, okay, they're all working. Now it's time to put the screws in. And we're done. See that? Only took a minute. Joe Beermaster, please subscribe. And thank you for watching. Hope it helps.